Welcome back everybody to this week's video. We are going to be making a textured vase, and also we are going to be doing the giveaway for the Dremel Platinum Edition. So as you can see, we're starting the turning off with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. I'd like to thank Huey Lionheart for supplying today's music for this week's video. So now we've switched to the mid-size rougher. And now the detailer, just so it matches the angles of the jaws of the chuck. And we'll take off their little nubbin at the end. Alright, so now we've got it flipped round in the chuck. And we're going back to the mid-size rougher just to flatten the top off. And now the mid-size finisher, just take it all down to shape to where we want it. And there we go. Alright, so we're done most of the sanding now, so we're just going to sand up to 240 here with clean spore abrasives. And now clean the grain out with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And now some black gloss lacquer, also from Hampshire Sheen. Alright, we've let that dry now, and we're going to use the Dremel to add some texture. There's the wood carving bit there. Going about 700 RPMs while we're doing this. There you go. There's some ruby from the Intrinsic range of Hampshire Sheen. Heat the lathe up a little bit and a slight bit of friction just to dry it off. There we go. And now a bit of Hampshire Sheen sanding sealer again, just to lock them colours in. And now we're going to get to hollowing. So we're going to hollow down to depth with a Forstner bit. Lomo. Bit of compressed air. And now we're about to clean off that rim using the #1 hollower, or CI5 from Easy Wood Tools. There we go. Some more compressed air. Once again, I've already done most of the sanding, so we're back to 240 grit from Klingspor. I've already put sanding sealer on, but there is some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, or you can get this from Axminster Tools if you are in the UK. Links down in the description. There we go. And here is some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. And of course now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the giveaway result. So on the Viking Shield video, I gave everybody that entered a number. There were a few people that went over to Andrew's video and got an extra entry. So right now I'm going to put the picker wheel up on screen, and we're going to roll that wheel. So good luck everybody who entered. Number two is the winner. Congratulations, you have 14 days to get in contact with me. After that I'll have to re-roll. So here are some pictures. Thanks to everybody who watched the video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies, and until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.